Go for it.
Maybe boobs are okay, but booties are not. I don't know.
And chocolate coconut balls.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a vlog. I think the last time I vlogged was probably like 3 months ago. I don't even know. I just felt like this weekend I really want to vlog everything, get a bit intimate, chat a little bit with you, and not just make a video with like a specific theme. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. So I had a big jug of water this morning. I took my supplements for my hair and skin, and then I also made myself some yummy breakfast. It was super easy, but it's so good. Right now I'm about to go to Starbucks, get some coffee with a friend of mine, and I think we're gonna try their new coffee from March. I think it's like chocolate almond shake espresso, something like this. I'm just gonna put the name here.
Review, Starbucks review. Sur 10, tu donnes combien?
Je préfère caramel macchiato.
Ah.
Okay, so we're gonna do some circuit right here with some weights. We had barbell, dumbbells, we also have some kettlebell. So we're gonna try to do that together, and then we're gonna rest. And after, we're probably gonna do boxing, which I haven't done in so long, but I love boxing, and she has some gloves and some pads, so it's gonna be super fun.
Give Claire the humble opportunity to taste these remarkable balls. So we've got salted caramel peanut pretzel balls and chocolate coconut balls. And if you want to know how to make them, well, you're gonna have to head to the Savvy Diaries YouTube channel, and there is a video on how to make these yummy balls.
So you added pretzel in it?
I added pretzels to the blender, so it's literally
so it's like salted caramel.
Yeah,
I've already done it like with peanuts, but with pretzel it's really like with the salted stuff, like it's good.
Go for it. I was just like,
second try is chocolate and coconut. I think I'm gonna prefer this one because I'm really like, I love chocolate and I love coconut. Tell us in the comments if you're more like a peanut butter person or a chocolate Bliss bowl person. They are so good, and I'm a huge fan of protein bowls, so I'm gonna keep that for me. So I literally had the best day. We honestly did so much fun stuff. We spent the whole day talking. That was so good. Like, we talk about health, about sports, about food. That's the kind of discussions that I bloody love to have. I mean, it's fine if we don't talk about that, but when we talk about health and fitness, everything health related, I'm just obsessed. And the sunset is almost over. I'm just gonna show you, it's cute. Anyway, so now I need to think what I'm eating tonight because the fridge is kind of empty, like really freaking empty, and it's kind of sad actually. So maybe I'm just gonna order something in, but I just don't know. Like I don't want to spend money. I just want to cook something, like even if it's pasta, I don't care. And tomorrow is my birthday, by the way. I'm turning 24 and I'm like, what the heck? Like time flies by. So I made myself some oat milk latte, but there's actually like 10% of coffee and 99% of oat milk, I think. I always use the Oatly oat milk and it is so good, especially for frothing. I feel like it's the perfect one so far. So now I just finished filming a workout. It was like an ab workout. It's for an upcoming video, so I can't really spoil you now, but it's gonna be so fun. I've already been filming the whole week. Whenever I can film a bunch of stuff during a certain period of time, I will do it. So for example, right now I'm vlogging this vlog for you, but at the same time I'm also doing the other YouTube video, or for example, if I film like a recipe, I try as well to film it on my phone for Instagram, for TikTok. I try to do different angles, but that works with everything. So for example, if I want to schedule stuff, I do everything on Sunday, you know. I'm not gonna schedule a little bit on Sunday, a little bit on Monday, a little bit on Tuesday. It doesn't make sense. So yeah, that was just my little tips for you. So it's 11:30 now and I've been doing a bunch of emails. So concerning emails, I try to just batch them at the beginning of the week, and after like Wednesday, Thursday, I completely stop doing emails. I mean, I will answer them, but I will not write them or do like stuff with Media Kit and all of that. I will try to do that at the beginning of the week, because after a while I kind of lose focus on what I'm writing and I can make mistakes and I could just write stuff that are a bit mechanical, and I don't like to do that. I really love to write emails which are as complete as possible, as raw as possible. Yeah, it kind of takes a lot of time. It doesn't look like it, but it does, and after a while it can become like a bit mechanical or like a bit administrative. I also did a bit of journaling. I've been so into positive affirmations and stuff like that. I'm not really into the yogi vibe of like, you know, like all is zen, all is perfect. Again, I'm someone who can get bored very easily, so that goes the same with everything. If every single day I have to write down 3 stuff that I'm grateful for, after a week or 2 I will be so sick of it. Like I will be sick of it. I hope that makes sense what I'm saying, but I'm sure there's a bunch of people who just feel the same with journaling and stuff like this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting really sick of the curtain bangs. It's just not my vibe. It was fun for a while, but I'm just not into it anymore. Okay, so social media is hating me today, like for real. So first I try to go to Instagram and I have like a pop-up coming, and then I posted a video on TikTok on how to grow your glutes and stuff like that, and how I gained a booty, and like TikTok removed it. Like TikTok said to me it's like nudity. So yeah, and I was giving tips and stuff. So yeah, I'm sorry guys, you're not gonna know the secret on how to grow your glutes. I don't get that, because a lot of girls are also like, you can see completely their boobs and blah blah blah. Maybe boobs are okay, but booties are not. I don't know guys, it's just weird. I'm not gonna try to post any content on social media today. Like honestly, it's not the right day. But I made myself some oat milk latte and my friend is coming soon, so it's gonna be great. Alright guys, it's 8 p.m. I'm getting tired. I'm just gonna wash my makeup off, I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I'm gonna watch Suits. I'm at the end of the season 6 right now, and I hope you did enjoy this more chill vlog, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you won't miss my upcoming recipes, what I eat in a day, my workouts, all that. I appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.